Okay, for 53, they want us to solve equations. Okay, so for A, let me just rearrange the top equation, 3x plus y, to put them in order, x and y, right, equals negative 10. And then the bottom one is 5x minus y equals 2. So this is set up perfectly for elimination. I can add the two equations and get 8x equals negative 8, divide by 8, so x equals negative 1. Then I'll take the top equation, right, and I'll solve. I'll substitute in the negative 1 for x. And we get y equals, y plus, sorry, this is not y equals, y plus that. Okay, y, and here also, y plus, or y minus. See, everybody makes mistakes. Y minus 3 equals negative 10. So add 3 to both sides. Y equals negative 7. So negative 1, negative 7 for 53A. And then let's do B. Let me make space. For B, we have, let's use substitution. So I'll leave the top one alone. 6x equals 7 minus 2y. And the bottom one, I'll just get y all alone. Y equals negative 4x plus 4, right? Okay, so now we'll take the negative 4x plus 4 and we'll put that in for y. We'll substitute that in. So we get 6x equals 7 minus 2 times y, which is negative 4x plus 4. So 6x equals 7. Distribute the negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 4 is plus 8. Negative 2 plus 8x, sorry. Negative 2 times 4 is minus 8. Okay. So 6x equals 7 and negative 8 is negative 1. Then we can subtract 8x, so negative 2x equals negative 1. Divide by negative 2, x equals 1/2, or negative 1 over negative 2, right? 1/2. So then y, I'll use this equation, right? So y equals negative 4x, which is 1/2, plus 4. Y equals negative 2 plus 4. Y equals 2. So the answer is 1/2 to the ordered pair.